Hey guys, this is Devin and this is Rockwell. They wanted to make a cake all by themselves. They are sure of themselves that they can make a cake without my help. So I thought, let's do a video, let's see how good they do. So we're gonna do a kids cake challenge today. They're gonna make a cake all by themselves without my help, right?
I think so, but we might need a
Do you think you guys can do it?
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome.
It should be really interesting considering Devin thought she needed a rolling pin for cake.
Yeah, we're making pie today. Yeah.
Either it'll turn out amazing or it won't, but these are the rules, guys. You ready?
What?
Rules are, I'm not helping you. You have to read the instructions all by yourself, right? I will only step in if something gets dangerous so no one gets hurt. And then the second rule is no matter how yucky it is or how bad you do, you have to eat it. Deal on the rules. Shake on it.
Yeah.
Shake on it.
Hi everybody, I'm Devin. And I'm Rocco. Today we're gonna do a kids cake challenge. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. You might let us have our own YouTube channel. You're not joking?
Yeah, I might let you have your own YouTube channel.
Yes! So please like and comment. Don't rate it. Rate number 1. Time to bake. Heat oven to 350. We need to grease the bottom only.
Hey, what does mommy spray into the pan so things don't get sticky?
Butter.
Yes.
We spray it on this. Move. And we are... Step number 2, mix. Cake mix, water, oil, and eggs. That's easy. Here's the mix. Wait, no, this is the mix, isn't it? Is it? Because on the first, it says cake mix. Right, so open up it. Here's the cake mix.
Whoa, that's a bud.
We need water.
I'll get the water.
It says 1 cup of water.
Okay, so what do you need?
That isn't a cup.
It isn't?
Rockwell, I think that isn't a cup.
It is a cup.
What does mom use when she's baking?
I've seen this before.
Measuring cups.
Move.
Where would you find measuring cups?
Yes. 1 cup on it. 1 cup. This is, wait, that.
1 cup.
Is that a 1 cup? What number is on it?
1, 3.
So is that 1 cup?
But it's a 1. That's 1/3.
Yes.
So
Keep digging.
1 cup.
It's probably this one.
1, 2, 2, 3.
This must be it.
1 cup. I think that's the wrong way. Cake mix is first. Yes. Yes. Uh-oh. Yes, we need the water now. How much oil though?
All of it, probably.
It says just pour a little bit in.
Just like a tiny bit.
Yeah, still stop. Do we crack the eggs?
Yeah, like I'll show you.
No. Okay. Now put them in the bowl. Put them in the bowl.
Okay, yeah.
Ew, so disgusting. Yeah!
Now Rockwell's in the zone. So disgusting.
On medium speed, it'll beat. So just go regular speed. We need to make sure that all the little white pieces aren't there.
You have to stir fast, Dev.
No, it says medium speed.
Or fast.
It says it'll beat. What does beat means this?
Fast.
Like, keep on counting like 1. Keep doing that. But we have to do it for 2 minutes.
Okay, timer.
Timer? What do you mean by timer?
Is it done yet?
No.
How many more seconds?
It's 100. Okay, 100. You said no other thing.
We'll leave that.
Thank you, madam.
Hey, Dad, look.
I need extra hands. I need extra hands. Hold this.
Seriously.
We gotta look at the chart now and you need to see how long we have to do it. 28 minutes is shorter cooking time and 33 is longer. So what are you guys gonna do? Longer or shorter?
28.
You have to agree.
No, we don't want it longer, or else it will taste bad. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, I'm putting a cake in for them since it's dangerous for them to do this. And I will get it out when it's ready and then we'll taste it and see how they did. Okay guys, set the timer. All right, I'm a little worried. I did have to step in just a tiny bit. They didn't measure the vegetable oil. Tons and tons of nonstick spray. Hopefully it tastes good. Doesn't look too bad, you guys. You guys, I think you might have done pretty good. Tell me if you think it's ready. Ooh, came out clean. Does that mean it's ready?
Yes. Josiana.
That isn't even a language.
This is what it's supposed to look like. It
Yeah,
tricked us. Maybe the inside is white.
All right, I'm gonna cut it since you guys can't use a knife. It turned out pretty good. From the outside, it looks pretty good. Do you guys think it's gonna taste good or do you think it's gonna taste bad?
Good. Oh, I can't reach it.
Ooh, definitely not sticky.
Definitely yummy. Guancianta. The inside is white.
Stop making up words.
Okay.
What does Josiana mean?
It doesn't mean anything, you're just making up stuff. You guys did pretty good. What do you think?
Okay.
What if you were cooked at 33?
I would have been burned.
Yeah, it might have burned. Good thing you guys did rock, paper, scissors, huh? Totally want to challenge you and your families to try this. So if you guys do it, tag us on YouTube if you're sharing on YouTube, and if you're sharing on Instagram, make sure you tag us so we can watch your videos on stories or your posts on Instagram. It's super fun for me to do with your kids at home one afternoon after school or while they're on break. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And make sure to have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, they really want their own YouTube channel. So comment below if you think they should have their own YouTube channel.
And thank you. Bye.
Bye. What do you do after you make the cake?
We put frosting on it.
You gotta clean up your mess.
Oh.
Oh.
Fun.
I wonder what that yellow stuff is. Oh, that's vegetable onion.
Wait, no.
Vinegar. Today we're gonna do a cake.
Okay, here we go. Try it again.